Welcome to our channel. Slow Wi-Fi after installing a new router? Do this. Step 1. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches and improve Wi-Fi performance. Step 2. Place the router in the right spot. Keep your router in a central, open location away from walls, metal objects, and large appliances for the best wireless coverage. Step 3. Check your internet speed. Run a speed test to compare your current download and upload speeds with the internet plan provided by your ISP. Step 4. Connect to the correct Wi-Fi band. Use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds when you're close to the router. Use the 2.4 GHz band for better range in larger homes. Step 5. Update the router firmware. Install the latest firmware update from your router's admin page or mobile app to improve performance, stability, and security. Step 6. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your network is protected with a strong password so unauthorized users aren't slowing down your connection. Step 7. Reduce Wi-Fi interference. Keep the router away from microwaves, cordless phones, Bluetooth devices, and other electronics that can interfere with the signal. Step 8. Limit connected devices. Disconnect devices you're not using. Too many active devices can reduce Wi-Fi speed for everyone on the network. Step 9. Test with a wired connection. Connect a computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. If the wired speed is fast, the issue is likely with the Wi-Fi signal rather than your internet service. Step 10. Reset the router if needed. If Wi-Fi is still slow, perform a factory reset and set up the router again using the latest recommended settings. Thanks for watching.